Hello and welcome to this Innopharma overview of tablet and capsule manufacturing and packaging processes. This module is designed to give you an understanding of solid dose manufacturing.
This course explains the solid dose manufacturing process, beginning with drug discovery and approval and going all the way to packaging. Content can be reviewed at the learner's own pace. With knowledge checks throughout the course to verify their understanding, and an assessment at the end to test their knowledge. Interview footage and animations to reinforce learning engagement.
Film coating is a continuous, you're spraying on your coating solution, it's hitting the tablets and it's rolling and drying at the same time.
All elements of solid dose manufacturing are detailed, giving students a clear and deep understanding of how tablets and capsules are made. Each aspect of tablet and capsule manufacturing, from mixing through to packaging, are also covered. This course assumes no prior knowledge, and all topics are broken down piece by piece to make them accessible and enjoyable to learn. To find out more, contact Innopharma by phone at +353 1 485 3346. You can also email us at eLearning@innopharmalabs.com, and you'll find plenty of information on our website at innopharmalabs.com.